Covalent docking is one type of molecular docking specifically for sampling conformations of covalent ligands to the receptor. CHARMM-GUI now supports the AutoDock 4 program for covalent docking. In this video tutorial, we will show how Covalent Ligand Docker handles a protein complex with a ligand in pre-reactive form. The structure 5K-MW is a beta-lactamase mutant in complex with penicillin. First, upload the PDB file, then click on Next. On the chain selection page, ensure the covalent ligands are selected, then click Next. We have no additional PDB manipulations, so click Next to generate the initial structure. If you have additional ligands to dock, you can upload them here. Otherwise, click Next. In this step, you need to prepare the linkage structure of each ligand to the target residue. Click Open to set up the structure in the pop-up window. The ligand PNN is the pre-reaction closed form of penicillin G. After reaction, a covalent bond is formed with serine 69. Select the target residue serine 69 and the warhead beta-lactam under the scroll-down buttons. Then highlight the warhead atoms on the sketchpad. You can either click the Detect button or highlight it manually by pressing Shift while clicking on each atom on the warhead. When you finish, click Case 1 Generate. This structure is the linkage structure of penicillin bonded to serine. The ligand PNM is the post-reaction open form of penicillin G. In this case, select the target residue serine 69, highlight the linkage atom on the sketchpad, and click on Case 2 Generate. Note that PNN is the same structure as PNM after preparation. Once you have finished setting up the ligand, you can close the pop-up window. There should be a green tick mark under the Setup column. Click Next to dock. After waiting a few minutes, the docking results should show as a list. As an option, you can also transfer the poses to High Throughput Simulator by selecting it in the box and clicking Next.